Good morning. Then the owner come and I moved to her because he told me it's Saturday a lot of police patrolling in the night, so it's better to you to sleep here. Also because this wall, so the wind is not not gonna hit you. After this sand there is the sea, and you see this was my view. You know, still windy a little bit. I slept well. I slept for sure well. I wake up many times, but I sleep well. Today, I gonna walk from Vinala, Liguera to Savona. It's 24 kilometers. The good part today is all the way along the sea. So like I walk all the way along this long near the sea, near the boulevard, how we call it. So I'm excited about it, feeling great. The only thing, I don't have internet, but it's okay, fine. I use maps offline, so I don't need internet. But if I can get internet eSIM from someone, €6, I will be happy. So on the way, I can also watch documentary or listen. Today I'm also fasting. I'm also happy about that. So I officially participated, or how I say it, started. So yeah, let we make it, inshallah, a great day. It's 8:45 in the morning. I just started walking, and inshallah I will arrive there between 4 and 5 o'clock. So yes, let's go. Beautiful, 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 breathtaking. You see, lovely people, really, a lot of these boats are 2,000, 3,000 euro. And if you want a really, really good one, really, for 10,000 euro, you have a really good one for 10,000 euro. And you can live here, park him here and live here. And you have a beautiful life. You have the sea at that side and you have the mountain at that side. Who knows, maybe God has planned that for me for after my trip. God knows better. Look, lovely people, how beautiful place I am. Look. So beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm here sitting a little bit. I've walked for sure 5 kilometers. Sitting here a little bit rest. I was also live on TikTok, and now a little bit here enjoy the nature, the view, and do a little bit ground thing. By the way, that beach there was Spiago del Mapieso, if I pronounce it well. I'm gonna put the maps picture right now. So I So I arrived at Noli. It was a little still windy. It was there. Wind, strong wind, man, strong wind. Near the cliffs or mountains, what's the name of those? Still a little bit wind. But there was really strong wind. I cannot hold my phone. So, but I arrived right now in Noli. Every village here is just beautiful. It has beach, so has good food. I didn't try it yet. I eat all from the supermarket, but you know, Italian are famous for their food. Still in Noli, lovely people, but I'm gonna show you something. Look, lovely people. I'm gonna go all the way. You see? All the way. You see it all the way, and you still see it. Yeah. You see it far away. Yeah, far away. Yeah, far. People serving, enjoying their time. You see, there's a boat far away. Beautiful. What can I say? It's all beautiful. I have nothing to say more than beautiful. Every time you think you have saw the most beautiful beach, you see more beautiful. Every time, again and again. So this is also the beautiful. So I arrived in Lidl. I was in all my vlogs. I didn't do shopping with you. So yeah, I arrived in Lidl. I arrived in Savona. Still, it's now almost 4 o'clock 20. Still 2 hours more to the iftar. So I will do shopping. But I don't know if I stay here. Maybe I walk 5 kilometers more, or I stay here in Savona. So yeah. I'm gonna take you with me what I'm gonna eat for iftar today and what I'm gonna drink. For sure, energy drink. So this one looks delicious. €1.90, not expensive. So I took the pizza. This one I'm gonna also take. This one in the Netherlands I eat every day, almost 3 or 4. This one I'm also gonna take. Italians are very famous for this croissant with things in it. The most one I like, I eat it last year, is with the pistas in it, but I don't see it here. But even if I see it, I don't buy it. But they are very famous for this croissant with strawberry or kerse therein. But the most what I like is with pistas. They have so much cake, so much. So lovely people. If you want to come holidays, come to Italy and make a lot of shopping. Make a lot of shopping here, really. They have a lot of nice stuff, a lot. They are also famous for their cheese, mozzarella, burrata, nice one. It's not, it's not expensive. Maybe I take one, but on the other side, you know, maybe other time. They are also famous for this stuff. Yeah, what I told you, all this delicious, some cake, some I don't know what this is. It look very delicious. Yeah, man. You know, I came for the energy drink. Really, that's why I come to the Lidl, for the energy drink. 62 cents. It's not expensive, but this one it's not expensive, but this one is cheap, 38 cents. So yeah, I like it. Or, yeah, 35 cents also. I always check the pH. If the pH is 8 and above, then it's alright. So I just going to the Lidl to actually for the energy drink, and if I go further, there is no Lidl, and I like the energy drink of the Lidl, but for sure I'm gonna go later to the other supermarket to buy something small, because right now is my evening. One small margarita pizza, alhamdulillah, but I want something with it. I want something with it. Because the donuts is for late, it's like for suhoor sweets, you know. I don't know, man. I have that issue. This issue must be gone before Ramadan ends. It is 5 o'clock and 50 minutes. Still more than 1 hour to go. 1 hour and 50 minutes. 1 hour and 20 minutes to go. I'm near the beach here. I gonna rest and maybe sleep a little bit 1 hour or something, because I feel tired right now. So yeah, see you with the iftar. So I buy this also. I was going to the Lidl. I buy this yogurt alla Frogola. So with my pizza. So it's currently 6:45 in the evening PM. I'm gonna break my fast right now. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إليك صمت وعلى رزقك أفطرت بسم الله. Wow, lovely people. I have no dates, so it is when you don't have dates, it's good to do it, to break it with water. Now I'm gonna pray. And after that, I'm gonna eat my yogurt and pizza. Bismillah. Alhamdulillah. Wow. So it's currently almost 9 o'clock. I am sitting here charging my power bank there. I've drank also again in coffee in Lungo. I find it awkward also to stay somewhere and don't buy nothing. As you see, a little I'm tired also, but this is the word I don't want to use. I'm thinking about, because tomorrow I want to be in Genoa. I must be in Genoa because there is hostels are cheap. You have hostels that are between 27 euro and 31 euro. So I can finally, after 5 days sleeping somewhere inside, you know, and take a shower after 5 days. That's also important, because tomorrow it will be 5 days I didn't take a shower. So yeah, this is for me important because I must walk 47 kilometers. So I was thinking, if I go walk now, also 3.3 kilometers. So tomorrow I will be walking 43 kilometers again. It will be heavy because of fasting. It will be heavy, but inshallah we're gonna make it. And if we don't make it, for example, we only make it to 30 kilometers, it's okay. It's okay. It's part of the progress. It's part of the progress, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna stay here for my power bank. I think maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. God's know. Yeah. So this is the place. I have a lot of delicious things, but I believe me, lovely people, I ordered only coffee and right now sparkling water. But you see, all this is delicious, but I don't come near it because I don't know why. I'm sitting there. I just need. I don't know. I don't have. I have, by the way, also the donuts, but I don't have literally some desire or something. I don't know. Maybe of the walking. You have see what was my iftar. Alhamdulillah, a lot of people who doesn't have food, but my iftar was a small piece of pizza and yogurt and water, and I'm happy about it. It makes me full, and I'm glad for it. And I gonna eat the donuts before I sleep, so that actually I don't wake up for suhoor. And yeah, so I don't feel the urge to eat something else or to eat some other pizza or bread or something. No, man. And I think in the combination, because you walk the whole day, and then your body needs just to relax. As you see, also you can see on my face, just like someone just getting out the sauna or finishing training, you know. So yeah. So this is the place, Zello. Don't forget it when you head in Safona. So it's 10 o'clock and 20 minutes p.m. in the evening, and I think I'm gonna walk 45 minutes more because yeah, I think I'm gonna do that and go live on TikTok. And yeah, I think this is the thing I'm gonna do. But right now I think too much, I think. And I also think that this is in Castile. This is in Castile, I think. Yeah. The thing is about walking in the night, you see these mountains. You know, right now I am have walked it is 3 kilometer point 300 meter. Now I walked 1 kilometer and almost 2 kilometers. So I am almost 1.5 kilometers to go. And then there I gonna, yeah. There is enough for today. But the thing is about walking in the night, here and there you have places you cannot walk, you cannot see, only if you have, even if you have a lighter, you know, I don't know the word in English yet, but it's not it's not my thing, you know. I don't know how to describe it better, but it's not my thing yet. Look how dark the sea is, lovely people. It's dark. There is a mountain, you almost see nothing. But alhamdulillah, I am almost there, 600 meters. So yeah, alhamdulillah. Lovely people. I walked a little bit further, so I arrived in Abisola something. I little bit get dizzy. I walked totally today from final Ligura to Abisola, 28 kilometers. Tomorrow from here exactly till the hostel, I hopefully with God, His will and blessings, I will get to from here to the hostel is 42 kilometers. So I hope that will be for today. I end the day. I'm gonna eat my donuts, brush my teeth, and sleep for sure 6.5 hours, maybe 7 hours. So yeah, for today, I can end the day and I'm gonna sleep, and tomorrow will be a new day. Have a good night.